In this Python tutorial, we will learn how to analyze sentences emotionally. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. First of all, we need to transfer the Textblob library so that we can analyze the sentences. You can start the transfer process with this command. I am importing the Textblob library. I am creating a function. I will send a text parameter to the function. I am creating a variable of float data type. I am sending text to the Textblob function. If the sentiment value is 1, I indicate that the sentence is positive. I state that the sentence is normal if the sentiment value is between 0.5 and 1. If the sentiment value is less than 0.5, I indicate that the sentence is negative. I create an infinite while loop with true. I create a variable with the input function. I send the variable to the function I created. Let's test the application. I send a text with normal emotion. I send a text with negative sentiment. I send a text with positive emotion. In this Python tutorial, we learned how to analyze sentences emotionally. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.